What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Got a new part in from ShowChrome, courtesy of Big Bike Parts. It's the amber turn signals that go on the fenders of the Ryker. We're gonna put these on and do a comparison. So, let's check it out. We're gonna unbox it. I already unboxed it, but I'll unboxing it in front of you. Of course, it's gonna come with a warranty card, typical ShowChrome. Installation instructions and photos. All the mounting hardware. 2 sets of these. And sticker from ShowChrome Accessories. Let's go over to the bike and do an install and a comparison. Since I already have the amber turn signals installed, this is going to be just a swap out, because I don't have to take off the fenders because I have all the connections there. So this is going to be an easier job unless someone has to start from scratch and remove their fenders. But I got a whole video on that, removing the fenders and putting the wiring it to your turn signals and everything. Let's light it up. So this is the one from Sling Mods, Trick LED. Had these on for about 2 years maybe. LEDs, still bright. It's a square design. The one from ShowChrome is, if you can see, it's a bevel design. Not LED dots, but these are like diodes. So the lighting might be different. Don't know until I install, and you guys will tell me which ones are better. Use our red pry tool here. It's hot out, it's humid, so this LED 3M tape popped out nice and easy to expose our wires. So what I'm going to do is replace this set of wires with the new turn signals. Before I start buttoning everything up and getting it attached, what do you guys think about this one compared to the one from Trick LED and ShowChrome? So this one flashes back and forth. Well, no, flashes in and out, I would say, not back and forth. While the other LED light is sequential. So look at the two, tell me what you think, and if you want any of these items from ShowChrome, the link is in below. You could use my 10% off discount code. Alright, so that's my comparison on the 2 turn signals. The ones from ShowChrome have that beveled angle look, giving it a real high quality housing. The one from Sling Mods is square. As for the lighting situation, Sling Mods, of course, I showed you was sequential. This is flashing. So it's more of a preference thing than I think anything of comparison. But that's for you to make up and for you to decide. So if you're interested in any of those items, whether it be from one manufacturer or the other, just hit me up, leave in the comments which one you think is better, which one looks better, all right? And I have more products coming up from you from ShowChrome. Ride safe, everybody.